Hey guys, it's McCavery and Javon back with Helium Tin. Today we're answering which is better, FBA or FBM?
So FBA versus FBM. There are a lot of pros and cons to both, honestly. And a lot of sellers prefer FBA because of the ability to save on discounted shipping rates and the ability to offer 2-day shipping for those who have Amazon Prime. Now, Amazon is also going to take care of all customer service on FBA products.
Another benefit of FBA is that you don't have to warehouse your own products. Now, a benefit of FBM is those that are shipping larger products like appliances or pool tables. It's just not feasible for Amazon to ship such large products.
And some sellers also prefer FBM if they don't have Prime because it just enables them to save a little bit more on shipping costs.
All right, guys, I hope that answered your question. If you have any more, feel free to write them below. We'll answer in another video.